Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of Israel. Israel is a West Asian country. It is an Asian country present in the western part, and the capital of Israel is Jerusalem. It is the seat for government and the self-proclaimed capital of Israel. And this is a very important place as this is a holy city to three major religions in the world. They are Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. And Israel is declared independent from 1948 by the United Nations, and in the same year Israel is divided from Palestine. And the borders of Israel are these: Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, Egypt, and Mediterranean Sea. So there is a sea, Mediterranean Sea, occupying the whole of west of Israel, and this is a very prominent sea. And the other countries are these, which are having direct borders with Israel. And Israel, there is a contention between Israel and Palestine regarding the area in which they are located. And the Palestine territories in Israel, around Israel, are West Bank and Gaza. We shall locate them. And Israel is also having certain borders. They are Dead Sea, Sinai Peninsula. Sinai Peninsula belongs to Egypt, and a border with Red Sea. And the Sinai Peninsula also has a border with Red Sea, which is very important. And there is also a lake called Lake Tiberias. This is very famously known as Sea of Galilee. So Sea of Galilee is also present. We shall locate that. And Jordan River is also present. And Golan Heights. These used to be under southwest part of Syria, but later they are annexed into Israel in the year 1981, and since then they belong to Israel. So we shall locate them. And Israel is very famous for water treatment. It would treat its 80% of domestic waste water and use it for agriculture. So this is very famous thing in the whole world. No other country has got this high technology of water treating. This is very famous with Israel, in Israel. Now next we shall locate Israel and see all the borders regarding Israel. To give an outline to Israel, it somewhat looks like this. So this is the basic shape of Israel. The Mediterranean Sea is located all over the west of Israel. So the whole of west is taken by the Mediterranean Sea. So this is the Mediterranean Sea. And to the north of Israel, there is Lebanon. So Lebanon is having border with the north of Israel. This is Lebanon. And next we have Syria. Syria is present on the northeast of Israel. So this is Syria. Syria is present over here. And next Jordan is present all over the eastern part. So we can locate this as Jordan. This is all Jordan. Next we have Egypt. Egypt takes this part. You can say the southwestern part of Israel. So this is all Egypt. And the part of Egypt that is having its border with Israel is called Sinai Peninsula. It is over here. Sinai. This is all Sinai Peninsula of Egypt that is having border with Israel. And Egypt goes further south also. So this is Egypt's part. Now we shall see where West Bank and Gaza are located. So they belong to Palestine, Palestinian territories they are. So West Bank is located over here. So this is where West Bank is located. This is a Palestine territory. And next Gaza is located over here. So these are Palestine territories. One on the east called West Bank and one on the west called Gaza. So these Gaza Strip and West Bank, they are Palestine territories. They are present bordering Israel. So next we shall see the water part where the Dead Sea is located and all. So Dead Sea is a very famous sea in between Jordan and Israel. So this is Dead Sea. It is located over this part. So this is named as Dead Sea because it has got more of salt and minerals in it that no animal and no plants can survive over there. So this is as there will be no life, this is called as Dead Sea. So there won't be any life in that. No plant or no animal can survive due to high amounts of salt and minerals. So this is about Dead Sea, and connecting this Dead Sea there is this river called Jordan River. So this is Jordan River. Jordan River is also in between Israel and Jordan. So this river passes along the border of Israel and Jordan. This is River Jordan. This is a very important river, and it has got only connection with Jordan on the east and Israel on its west. So after Jordan River, we have Sea of Galilee or Lake Tiberias. Sea of Galilee or Lake Tiberias is over here. So this is where Sea of Galilee or it's also called a lake. Lake of Tiberias is located here. This is also called Sea of Galilee. So we can say that this Jordan River is connecting this Lake Tiberias with Dead Sea. You can locate it like this. So this is Dead Sea, that is Lake Tiberias, and the one that is connecting lake with this sea is this Jordan River. So this is how this lake, river and Dead Sea are connected, and all of this is between Jordan and Israel, and also West Bank part is also involved with this sea movement, river stream. And we'll see where Golan Heights are located. Golan Heights are over this part. So they used to be under Syria earlier, but from 1981 they are annexed with Israel. So these are Golan Heights. So Golan Heights are with the border of Israel and Syria, and this Lake Tiberias, Jordan River and Dead Sea are in between Israel and Jordan. So Golan Heights and all of these, as we can remember easily, these are just all towards the eastern border of Israel. And the location of Red Sea with respect to Israel is over here. So here below Jordan there is Red Sea. So two important seas, Mediterranean Sea is on the western part and Red Sea is south, little south, that is south to Jordan also, and this Red Sea is also having connection with Sinai Peninsula of Egypt. So here is Red Sea. So this is the basic location of Israel and things around it, and thank you.